It was a slow week for new contracts due to the Memorial Day holiday, and interest rates rose. It's Friday, June 2nd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Homes available on the Maryland Shore dropped to 1,096 for sale. 71 homes came to the market over the past week. 68 homes are coming soon. 68 went under contract and 63 went to pending, both reflecting big declines week over week, but considering it was a holiday weekend and more than a record-breaking 42.3 million Americans were expected to travel this Memorial Day, the decline in new contracts is certainly understandable. 120 properties sold in 8 days at 99.4% list-to-sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Earlsville, a waterfront on VZ Cove, for $2,898,000. Available rentals remained unchanged at 73 for lease at $2,000 per month. These are going under application in about 20 days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 2nd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. See you next week.